Dear student, good morning. Today we discuss about the elasticity of demand. In this chapter, first we discussed about the how much quantity demand of a commodity change due to change its factors. In previous chapter theory of demand, we discussed about the demand changes due to change its price. It indicates only the direction of demand changes when price changes. Direction means demand changes positive, means increases or decreases due to change the price. But in this case, elasticity of demand, we able to say when price of a commodity changes, how much demand will be changed. This concept was developed by Professor Marshall in his book Principles of Economics. Elasticity of demand means measures the magnitude of change in demand. According to Marshall, he said elasticity of demand measures the degree of responsiveness of change in quantity demanded of a commodity due to change its price. Suppose we take one example. If fall the price of computer 20%, how much quantity demand of a computer will increase? When tell about the how much demand will increase of computer, it is known as elasticity of demand. Types of elasticity of demand. There are three types of elasticity of demand. First, price elasticity of demand. Second, income elasticity of demand. Third, cross elasticity of demand. In elasticity of demand, only we will study about the price elasticity of demand according to 11th syllabus. Income elasticity of demand, cross elasticity of demand are not in syllabus. Next, price elasticity of demand. What is the price elasticity of demand? It is same as the meaning, but in other sense, it is the ratio of percentage change in quantity demand and percentage change in price. Methods of measuring elasticity of demand. There are three methods to measure the elasticity of demand. First, percentage method. Second, total expenditure method. Third, geometric method. First, percentage method only in the syllabus. Total expenditure method, geometric method are not in syllabus. First, we take the percentage method. According to percentage method, elasticity of demand is the ratio of percentage change in quantity demand and percentage change in price. ED is equal to minus ब्रैकेट में परसेंटेज चेंज इन क्वांटिटी डिमांड डिवाइडेड परसेंटेज चेंज इन प्राइस. Student, why I put the minus sign before the ratio? because it indicates the negative relation between price and quantity demand of a commodity. Only it is the minus sign for inverse relation between quantity demand and price of a commodity. Mathematically, we find the percentage change in quantity demand with the help of changing quantity demand divided by initial quantity demand into 100 divided change in price, initial price into 100. 100 कट गया, यहाँ बचा change Q upon change P into P upon Q. Mathematically, we derive the elasticity of demand with the help of this formula. How find the change Q? Final demand minus initial demand. How find the change P? Final price minus initial price. Here we find the percentage change in quantity demand, change Q upon Q into 100. Here percentage change in price, change P upon P into Q 100. Take one example for calculation or computation of elasticity of demand. Find elasticity of demand if demand of a commodity rises 30% when its price falls 10%. When both given in percentage, then there is no problem in calculation of elasticity of demand. Only put the value. ED is equal to minus percentage change in demand, percentage change in price. Here percentage change in demand 30% and percentage change in price 10%, and 30 divided 10 is equal to 3. It is elastic demand. It is elastic demand. How can say this is the elastic demand? Because ED ranges, elasticity of demand ranges between 0 to infinite. 0 to infinite, there is 0 elasticity of demand, unitary elasticity of demand, greater than 1 or elastic demand. Greater than 1, ये 1 से अधिक है, तो this is the greater than 1, known as elastic demand. Smaller than 1 means inelastic demand. And infinite, when elasticity of demand changes more or less due to slight change of price, known as infinite elasticity of demand. These ranges explained in the degree of elasticity of demand. Types of degree of elasticity of demand. There are 5 types of degree of elasticity of demand. First, perfectly elastic demand, perfectly inelastic demand, unitary elastic demand, elastic demand, inelastic demand. In next class, we will discuss about the degree of elasticity of demand with the help of example and diagram. Thank you.